Getting darker. I don't like that. Ooh. Alright. Creepy room. Is this more reflective water? Looks like it. Ooh. Whoa. Oh. Here's the thing I can just turn on. There's some ominous machinery going on. I'm gonna guess there's one on the other side. Oh. Oh no. We are rising up. Oh boy. Okay, so that one is a straightforward from the bottom portion, squiggle to the left, all the way across the right and up. Alright. Okay, turns on another one. Which is harder to see from here. Do I have to... It moves the whole room back down, does it? Yep, slowly. Okay. That is lower left, up, across, down, and out. Right? Alright. This fella... Gosh. Oh no, there's a whole different kind of puzzle happening over there. Well, looks like it. Gee. Okay, I don't think there's enough reflecting off of anything for me to see what that's doing. Can I get it another way? Can I look at what this other one is doing? What is this? Oh. That's cool. Keeps going. Alright, so is there any point in this room where I can get a useful reflection off that fella at the bottom? Not at this height. So let's go ahead and move it all back up. I'm just going to do something like, oh, I have to see it while it's halfway up the screen. I just have to straight up turn that on somehow. Well, that is fed from this line here. Oh. So yeah, just a few more. Okay. Is this near enough for me to adjust or something? From behind? Nope. Oh, there's a view of it. Kind of. Okay, but that is too... Alright, so we need to get it moving, and we'll probably need to watch it in action. Okay, that's straightforward. It's just a U shape starting from what will be the upper right. No! Did I get that backwards? No? Did I get that upside down? There we go. Okay. Alright, to see... Yeah, there's a reflection of it way down there. Let's go ahead and bring things back up. Oh, there we go. How can I see it? Alright, that goes bottom center, down up, run. Whoa. That's just weird. Oh. At this point, it's just covered, so it can't be interacted with. Sure. Oof. Reacquaint myself with what I need to do. Ah. It was like, oh. It was like that. Okay. Alright, so now we have light happening on this. It just wants... That's out of range, isn't it? No? Okay, well I can see that half of it, and it does that. Oh, it might start here. Oh, no! Okay, then what is it doing? Oh, I recognize that much already. It looks like hut, 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 at least. And then, yeah. So go around to the other side and see if there's anything else. Nope. No. But if we move it up... Oops. That wasn't a good sound. Slowly. Should I be watching it from this side or from the other side? No? Nope. Getting no reflectivity off that. See it from another side of the room. I can just see those again. Okay, it does look like it's going... Stop it. Stop it. There we go. Wait, yes? Does it need to be at a height? Don't we have to bring it up again? So slowly. Okay. Is it connected to whatever? Do I need to do it again? Because I'll do it. Well. Oh. This fella. I don't know what to do with that fella. Oh, but now we've got more light coming in. Somehow. Oh. Alright. Hold on. I probably want to stand on this platform. Alright. You get to see anything. No. And as that descends, it goes down farther than I can see. Does it? Ooh. No, there. Ooh, alright, I see a path. It clearly ends in, or starts with, a kind of motion. I see more in it from a different angle. Not too clearly. Wait. Shouldn't have to come all the way over here to move it back up. Alright. Let's watch it as it goes. Yeah. Why is only half of it reflective? I'm just trying to get my goat. Alright, okay, so I think it looked like... Okay, based on what I've drawn, I have no idea what it looked like. Okay. Let's do this, and this, and that, and then this, and that. And from there, I don't know, but I think it was this? No. Oh no. You need to get this pillar out of the way. If there's a way to turn more lights on. Alright. It's not like... Ah. That clears some of it. It's like up, up, up. Which is... translates to hip, hop, hip. So is it straightforward? Right down, up, up, up. Wait, no. Down, right, up, 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 up. Right. Is it this? No. Or alternately, that is grounded here. No? Come on, that has to be it. Wow. That one is too much of a pain. Okay, before I try again, are there any other panels that I didn't quite get yet? I think that was all of them. Yeah. Alright, so I know that it does that. Oh, and it does that in the middle. Oh. Wait, what? Wait, what? Okay, so it has to start here, period. Alright, so if it looks like this... Nope, nope, nope. Like that. And then doing what this looked like from the other side. Come on. Oh. Okay, so that definitely goes that way to get out. There are 5 squares in the grid. Write this down. Okay, if the exit here and the entry here, it is absolutely doing this, this, and that. Okay, and from the other side, Okay. Right. Oh. Maybe that's a middle portion and not from the end. Okay, so let's see. Hop, 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 hop. Translates to that, that. Yeah. There are not really many options it can be from there. I mean, it has to be that. So why doesn't it work? Like, because it can't be this, because then it won't be able to get back to that. So it has to be down, and then this, to the right, hop, hop. And like that. But that isn't it. So, yeah. Alright. Going to re-examine that side. The only issue is like if it's one of these broken ones, like we had last time, where it's supposed to be one way, but in reality maybe it's a little different. Let's see if I see anything strange about that one. Where even is it? Ah, here we go. Yeah. It's like that does that. How can it not be the way we're seeing it? Unless it's doing something else between those, but it doesn't really have space to have any more actions between those. Hold on. Okay, so wait. Is it just the wrong... Has it been the wrong side? Yeah, it's been the wrong side. No. Ugh. Okay, so up. Go down. Up. Okay. And that is the shape I saw to begin with. And then the other one is just... What? Does it do something else before it gets there? No. Hmm. Huh. Okay, so we expect it to go... Yeah. Wait, that doesn't match. Why am I having trouble matching what I'm seeing? Doing things in mirrors. Ugh. Let go. Okay. So that, then up, which is down. Then the... No, because that's in the middle. Alright, up. Wait, what? Okay. In the middle, down, up, and right. Okay. Like that. And this. I've tried that one. Okay. Okay. All the way under here. Oh. Okay, so that goes even higher. Okay, so it goes for a while. And then straight inward, this, that. Okay. That was too much. Okay. Here we are. A nice curved one, that's great. Oh wow. Really complex looking. changing between concave and convex. That's nice. Okay. What? No, it's not. Ooh. That's mean. Wait, what? No, not that far. Okay, and that turns that one on, which now has that direction, which is not a mirror of the original. Okay. Alright, so... Okay, now this actually is a reflection. But I ain't gonna... I guess I do have to figure it out that way first. Yeah. Oh wow, one of those. No. Oh wow. Okay, so that actually has to go to the right. Oh, and I can't. I'm not going to be able to make those motions till I get those things out of the way. Alright. Alright. Okay, that opened up one of them. Can I see into this one yet? Almost. Okay, so it goes across from the center. Wow. Oh. Can't move this mess. Oh, I can do it from here. Ah! Okay. So as we said, it's just that. Go all the way up, zigzag, and all the way around. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. Ah, okay. Now I can move this to a more convenient position, I guess, to catch the reflection. Pretty straightforward. Bottom left to bottom right to the center. Hello. Come on. Alright. What happens if I move it the other way? Well, it is the other way. There was the other way to start with. Wait, there's more behind this? I didn't want to... Okay. I guess I did. I sure hope that comes back. Ooh. Look at that. Whoa. Well. That was, explosive sounding. Did I set off the laser? Oh well. I sure hope I didn't need that elevator. Oof. Alright, we'll go out and see if we... Ooh. If we did it. Yeah? No. We did not. But... surely whatever we elevated came out to ground level, right? It's this cage here? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so this is what we had when it came out. Oh, no, it is powered. Alright.